Hey everybody, I'm pretty impressed with something that I accomplished, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So most people already know last year I sold everything I owned, my house, all my stuff, and I moved full-time into my camper. So it's going pretty good, fantastic. Moved south for the winter, but I'm getting bored. So I always like to figure out new ways to make money and ways to provide service. And so I found a way on Amazon. I joined this Amazon affiliate program. And so I'm going to show you how it's done. I made my first sale is the reason for the video. So check it out. So I signed up for this Amazon affiliate program. Let me widen this up a bit. So if you look up here, I got this extra little thingy on my Amazon. And this is like one of the last things I bought. It's this little digital timer. Here, I'll show you real quick. So it's this little thing right here. I kind of like to set it by my computer. And let's say I usually set 45-minute blocks of focus time. Bam, I'll hit it. So then now whatever I'm working on, I know 45 minutes. And if I have to get up and, go do something for a little bit, I'll pause it and I'll come back. And that way I know when I'm done working, I've put in 45 minutes of whatever I was trying to do. So back to the story here. So here's this Amazon site stripe. So you go up here to text, and it gives you this little link. So you just click on that link, highlight it, and then you can share it wherever you want. So I shared it to my YouTube video and a couple other places. So somebody actually bought one of these things. So I'm going to go up here to, where's it at? Site Stripe. I'm going to go to click on earnings and let that sucker think for a minute. So I made 21 cents commission. I'm so pleased with myself. It looks like I had 53 clicks. One person ordered, one person shipped already. So I didn't have to do anything to sell this product other than share it. You can see these are all, I guess, all my little clicks. And then boom, made my first sale. So I made 21 cents in commission. So this may not knock your socks off, but I'm pretty pleased. When you sign up for this affiliate, Amazon affiliate, and anybody can do it. You just, I can't remember how I did it. I did it somewhere inside the Amazon website. But you have to make 3 sales within 120 days, I believe. And you can't sign up and then buy the shit yourself, And Amazon's got a thing where you can't tell your like close family members or your wife to just buy your products. Somehow they know. So you have to make 3 sales. So I'm pretty pleased with myself on this. The reason being is because I just like selling stuff. Like when I sold everything on my house, out of my house, including 2 cars, literally everything I own except for the clothes on my back and my camper and my truck. And I got real good at selling. So I sold a lot of stuff through Facebook Marketplace. I figured out how to sell through Marketplace, how to not get ripped off, how to not get robbed. I learned how to sell on eBay. I became like a top seller on eBay just from all the stuff I sold. So I learned different ways to like list things and different ways to word things to where people would want to buy your stuff. The main thing for anybody who wants to sell on eBay or Marketplace for that matter is photos. So you want to take really, really good photos of the product. This stuff on Amazon, there's really no need for me to take photos. I like to make videos, so I've just been filming little videos and sharing them that way. I think, if a picture says 1,000 words, then a video surely is worth 1,000 pictures. And so anyways, just making little YouTube videos, sharing them on my Facebook. You guys may see some of my videos. I'm going to start doing this a lot, basically with all the stuff I buy, because I buy a lot of cool stuff from Amazon, so why not share it? And I don't really want to get into drop shipping and e-com myself, I guess, at this point, because I don't want to have to deal with payment processing and returns and customer service and all that jazz. Like I moved into my camper because I don't want to work that much, to be quite honest. So not that I'm lazy, I'm just kind of into other stuff than doing a daily 9-to-5 grind. So looking for just different ways to kind of work a couple hours from my computer and then just kind of dick around the rest of the day. So anyways, just figured I'd share my win. This is an Amazon affiliate. Anybody can sign up for this thing, and then you can start sharing links to products that you buy. The only caveat in the terms and conditions is you have to recommend things that you personally bought and things that you didn't return. So we all buy cool stuff off of Amazon. I mean, some of it's, just kind of crap, but, there's a lot of cool stuff out there. So going to be sharing the next, probably the next year or so, things I buy from Amazon. So anyways, just wanted to show you the affiliate program. Anybody can sign up for it and you can start making money. I've been doing this 2 days. I made 21 cents You figure after taxes, maybe I made a, couple of dimes. But I'm pretty pleased with it. So hope you guys have a great day. That's my Amazon affiliate story. See you later. So if you guys want to help me out and you want to buy this little timer or anything else I got listed, just click on one of the videos. Everything I'm sharing is just a couple of dollars. So that timer, part of the affiliate program, you're not supposed to tell the price, but you can check on my link on YouTube at Dave's Garage 365, or you can go on my Facebook page, or I got a Dave's Garage Facebook page if you're not friends with me personally. But you can click the link, buy the little timer. It's saved me a lot of time and procrastination, and has helped me feel way more productive. So have a great day.